All right, you can see what the final floor looks like. Finally got it done. It's been months in progress, but looks pretty good. Pretty excited to get this part done. I'm up here gonna wet it down. Gotta wet it down every so often to try to so it doesn't cure so fast. It's kind of windy up here and hot. I did spray some chemical on there, and it's called Medicure or MedCure. It's supposed to help it cure so it doesn't crack, so it doesn't cure too fast.